In this video, we will discuss how to apply for work permit extension in Canada as a refugee. So if you want to know how to do that, you first need to head over right here into this Canada immigration page. You can see right here applying for work permit inside Canada as well as extensions, changing conditions, initial and open work permits for the online application. So most people usually apply online. So you're applying for temporary resident permit and a study or work permit. So for this case, what you can do is you can head over and see what it needs you. You may need to give your biometrics for this and to give it once every 10 years. You can extend the validity of this. You can choose to give it again when you apply. So you need to pay the fee, then wait for the instruction letter. You must use the BIL that was issued for this application. Then click on this link right here in order to book an appointment. You need to book an appointment to give it, and it will determine your eligibility. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.